Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This is my green St. Patrick's Day look, but I was kind of just picking up my hair and getting it out of my face and decided to leave this little clip in for you guys because I think this hairstyle is super cute. So let me know down below if you want this in detail. It's pretty simple though.
Comfortable on my own and shit, loving it, I can handle it. So if I'm gonna love someone, well, damn.
Okay guys, so first things first, we're gonna go in with our moisturizer. This one is Dr. Jart and it is for sensitive skin. You can find it at Sephora. I've been having a few breakouts lately with certain products, so yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with my primer. The primer that I'm using is Laura Mercier, also found in Sephora. And you already know LA Girl Cosmetics. For the peach and the regular concealer, I use the peach corrector for my dark circles, and then the regular one, which is pure beige, to top it off. For foundation, you guys chose for a dewy look, and this has been my go-to foundation. This is from Image Skincare, and I love it for a very dewy yet full coverage look. This particular one was gifted to me and I did not get my color, so what I do is I go in with Vita Liberata Luxury Tanner, and it's called Body Blur. I use that to somewhat tone it towards my tan skin, and I only place it in certain areas like my forehead and my cheeks. Now I'm going in with the pressed powder from Metaluso and contouring with the NYX Professional Contour Palette. I also use this palette as a highlighter. Next up is blush. This blush is from Bare Minerals and it is called Riches. And I simply take that to the cheeks and I blend the contour with the highlight. And those are my dogs. You want to make sure to get that chin and the tip of your nose. I am going in with P. Louise for a eyeshadow primer and also to outline the eyebrows underneath because your girl's in quarantine and we haven't waxed. Okay, I'm sorry, I got the giggles. Okay, so this is Exotic Peacock Palette by Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and it is literally like the only palette I grab when I'm doing a colorful eyeshadow. So yeah, we're gonna go in with the lightest bluish green for the crease and then darken it up with the darkest green, and then I'm even gonna deepen that even more with a dark blue only on the outer V. only not only, okay guys, only on the outer V with the blue, because it's still a green look. So not mind me guys, it's super late, and yeah, this has to happen, this has to work. I've re-recorded this like 100 times and we're not about to do it again. So cut that crease with P. Louise and wing it out. Make sure you don't forget the wing because that is vital for this look. And then we are gonna take the shimmer green and put that on the lid, but not all over because there is an actually lighter green, and that lighter green goes in the inner corner. So Now for the crease part where I winged it, we're gonna do glitter, and this one is from NYX in number 07. On the lower lash line, I basically repeat the steps going in, so dark blue on the outside, shimmer green, and then the light green. And then for the lips, you guys know I always use my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick palette, and this is in volume 1. And I basically am just showing you here how I lightened my nude. So I basically just put white in the center and I blend that out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below if you try it and if you like this palette or have it at home. Even if you try the hairstyle, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.